Description: Daily, color-safe conditioner helps strengthen strands with keratin protein and instantly detangles for silky, healthy-looking hair. Benefits: color-safe, paraben-free. Suggested use: apply generously to hair from root to tip. Massage. Rinse. For best results, use with Moisturizing Lather Shampoo. Our history. 40 years ago, two friends were inspired to start a company that would support the success of hairdressers and provide luxury hair care. John Paul DeJoria and Paul Mitchell, Wright, launched a revolutionary hair care system featuring 3 products. This is our story. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I'm ordering more of this. Worked perfectly on my dry hair. The effect is immediate, hair is instantly smoother when applied.